Right, we are making chocolate chunk cookies. They are delicious and decadent and, yeah, chunky and substantial. I mean, it's Monday, we could all do with the chocolate boost, I thought.
Perfect, and really good for lunchboxes too, I find.
Oh, exactly.
Put chocolate in it and they'll eat
nice
it.
to your kids, yeah. Yeah. Right, so into the bowl then. I've got 225 grams of unsalted butter, and we're going to add some brown sugar and also some white sugar, and then we're just going to get it creaming together.
Right.
And we're going to add in 2 eggs. I might turn it off just so it doesn't all fly up everywhere.
That would be quite interesting for television though, wouldn't it?
2 eggs, and then I think it's about a teaspoon and a half of vanilla essence as well.
Yum.
And then we're going to beat that together too. So that's going to mix together nicely. We are going to add in the rest of our ingredients. So I'll just lift this bit up here. Yep, we've creamed together the butter and the sugar, 2 types of sugar. Into here we've got 200, no, what have we got? We've got 2 cups of plain flour.
You don't need to sieve that?
You could sieve it, I'm not today.
It's chunky.
Feeling a bit casual today, yeah. Half a cup of cocoa powder, a little bit of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. You don't have to add the salt, but I do like to with chocolate because it really sort of brings out the chocolate taste. And we'll give that a
step
quick
back
mix
because
as well. I know, it might... I mean, I like to use good quality chocolate, so often that is not the sort of baking type. It might be the type that you like to eat and snack on, but again, I'm not too fussy about this.
Yeah.
So I've got 100 grams of dark, 100 grams of white chocolate chips, and I've got 1/3 of a cup of chopped nuts. I'm using cashew nuts. I like those. You could use macadamias or peanuts, or walnuts even. Now, the oven is preheated to 180 or 160 fan, and then make sure you've got nice clean hands. We're just going to roll them into perhaps slightly smaller than a golf ball. This will make about 26, 28 chunky cookies.
Yeah.
And unlike other recipes, you don't flatten these ones with a fork.
Oh, why
You
not?
don't need to, because they're chunky. They just leave them like this and cook them, and
they
then you'll
ooze
see,
down.
there'll be a nice chunky.
Look, those quick before the crew do as well. They smell absolutely delicious. And if you would like to try these at home, really easy to make, the full recipe is on our Facebook page.